friends, running kimono. It is Sunday the 23rd, and my gosh, get your car started and get to Walgreens. We have more clearance to talk about, and I did a $50 basket, and it was a $10 moneymaker. One snag in the basket that I will share with you guys, but other than that, it's pretty smooth sailing this Sunday morning. And it's specifically to do with the Schick disposables. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is, in case you missed yesterday afternoon's video, tons of clearance laundry products have hit 90% off. So if you're headed to Walgreens, definitely worth a walk down the laundry care aisle. Look at the tags, see what they have, and if you can ask for a price check, you might be surprised what these items are ringing up for. And tons of you in various states scored big last night. Also, in the non-perishable food aisle, lots of beverages are also 90% off, including this 6-pack of the Ocean Spray 100% juice for 63 cents. What a value that is. And also the Walgreens Nice brand. It's a diet tonic water for 14 cents. Also 90% off. Not all of them, just select tagged items. Also walk down the dollar aisle. Some stuff is also 90% there. Also, for all the parents out there, we have the Hawaiian Punch. It's a larger container. It's like a fruit punch for 38 cents. So that's quite a value right there, 90% off. And then go to the cooler at your store. Lots of the Arizona iced tea. They have one called Southern Style and a green tea, 10 cents a piece. So that is 90% off. Okay, the next deal that we have is with the fancier Crest toothpaste gum brilliance, those good ones. Spend 10, get back a $5 register reward. So with IBOTTA this week, we have a $2 rebate for each. And if you could see the little chorus line here, we have the gum, brilliance, those good ones. They are $6.99 each. And this is a $2 rebate with IBOTTA. Plus we have a $2 digital for a 3D Brilliance. So make sure that you have this one loaded along with a $3 digital coupon for the gum. So make sure you have both of those loaded. That's $6 off. How great is that? Looking at the overall balance, we're grabbing 2 of the fancy toothpaste for $13.98, subtracting $6. With your debit card, pay $7.98, get back a $5 register reward and $4 from IBOTTA, making this free plus a $2 moneymaker. Again, because the word spend is in there, use your debit card or do it with a booster so there's no trouble. The next deal that we're looking at is with the Dove body wash, and the digital coupon did in fact reset for this guy this week. So they are $7 a pop. Buy 2, get $4 back in Walgreens cash. I love it when these coupons reset, especially the high value ones. So this is the coupon in mention that had reset, which is a 7 off of 2. Please make sure you have that guy loaded. So grabbing 2 of the Dove body washes, that's $14 on the nose, guys. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay $7. Get back $4 in Walgreens cash. The final price point here is 3 for 2 or $1.50 per. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, and what a great deal this is. Now we're going to look at an Olay deal, and these are $7 a pop as well this week. If you're looking for this specific one, which is called Age Defy, it's the one with the lavender ribbon on it, that one. If you open up your IBOTTA account and scan this barcode, yes, it is in fact attaching to the $2 rebate. It's been such a mess with these Olay and Old Spice body washes attaching to IBOTTA rebates. So definitely open up the app, scan, because, oof, it's been messy. But as you can see, you're going to get $2 back for each body wash. So how nice is that? We're going to load this coupon, which also reset. Take a drink every time I say the word reset. And here's the math for this. Grabbing 3 of these body washes, it's $21 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $16. Getting back a $4 for spending $20, a $5 register reward for the deal of the week, plus $6 back from IBOTTA, making it $1 for the 3 or 33 cents per. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Another deal that we have is with the smaller Nivea for Men shaving cream for $3.49. We have a $2.50 digital that showed up this morning. So how nice is that? What we're going to do for this deal is just grab one of those shaving creams for $3.49. Subtracting that digital, you're paying 99 cents for a shave cream. Okay, friends, so this is what I did for a $50 basket. I had this that came out of the Catalina machine. $10 Walgreens cash when you spend 50, plus this one, which is $7 back when you spend 25. So the operative thing for this girl was to get a $50 basket, and this is what I grabbed. 2 Venus razors for the spend 2, get back an $8 register reward, 2 Dove body washes, and then 2 of the Schick Hydro Silk. It's a face razor. I would recommend to grab 3, and I had a huge amount of problems with those razors, so that's the first thing that we're going to talk about. So I remember in my matchup that it said that when you bought 2, you got back $4 in Walgreens cash. It is in fact in the flyer, but how it's tagged in the store is different, which is BOGO 50% off, which is part of the flyer. But it's $3 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3, not the 4 back when you buy 2. So I'm super confused. I mean, maybe I would pass on this altogether and just throw in that fancy toothpaste and get your basket to 50 a different way than this, because this was a mess. And these did not ring up BOGO 50% off either for me, and it was just messy. I did have 2 of these loaded. I would definitely maybe grab 3, watch the receipt if it's not ringing up BOGO 50% off, and get the difference from customer service or from a very nice manager if you wanted to do the exact same deal, or wait a couple days. I also went back and grabbed one of these $14.99 Venuses. Now, if you did this deal last week with the digital coupons, they are gone. I think you had to load them last week, so just to note that. So there was an $8 for that one and a $5 for this one, so that's $25 in ladies' Venus razors. So just to show you, I thought the men's Gillette would work with this, but a lot of you were saying the $4 coupon was not, the $4 register reward was not printing out, so I went with the ladies' Venus, and it actually worked. These are the digital coupons that I have loaded, which is an $8 off and a $5 off. And I also threw in 3 register rewards, which are manufacturer register rewards that you can use for a basket such as this one. And I have $10 from last week that I threw into the mix. Hey guys, so I had to Frankenstein the math a little bit because of the Schick disposable issue. So this is what I would do. Grab 2 of the Dove body washes for $14, 2 Venuses for $25.98, 3 of those Schick disposable face razors for $17.47. Please pay attention, that is ringing up BOGO 50% off. And if it isn't, you're going to have to call customer service or ask a very nice manager for the difference. The total is $57.45. Get the cashier to scan your 10 back when you spend 50. Have that digital booster loaded. I presented $10 in manufacturer register rewards scanned beautifully, plus $28 in digital coupons melted off. With your debit card, pay $19.45. Get back $dollars in Walgreens cash for the body wash, the boosters, and your Schick. And then an $8 register reward for the Venus, a $4 register reward for the Venus, and then make a submission for $4 back with the coupons.com app for the Schick disposable, that face razor. It makes it free plus a $14 moneymaker, not factoring in my $10 of manufacturer register rewards. And definitely watch how it's ringing up that Schick razor at checkout, or alternatively just go with the fancy toothpaste. And remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. And this is what printed for me. And guys, I did the math. If you added the 2 fancy toothpastes, the 2 Crest fancy toothpastes with the Venus and the Dove, it would be like $53. So maybe that's a smarter avenue to take than to mess around with these weird Schick face razors that are they have their own personality today. So that was kind of a headache for me, but that was the math on how to make it work. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.